Hi, this is Kit Welchlin. Today I will discuss what is work and life balance. Everyone seems to have made some personal and professional adjustments over the past year. Now it's time to reflect and ask ourselves, what does work-life balance mean? I believe having time to call your own, that is free time and guilt-free time, reflects work-life balance. Spending that time doing enjoyable, stress-free activities, scheduling time for yourself to recharge so you have the resilience to deal with difficult, unavoidable issues in your life. Good work-life balance is a different configuration for every individual. Everyone has unique needs, wants, and desires. You need to formulate your own combination of activities that are fulfilling and inspiring for you. There are 3 tests of time that support good work-life balance. Number 1, test of necessity. Number 2, test of appropriateness. And number 3, test of efficiency. And they should be applied in that order. Test of necessity is stopping yourself before doing a task and asking, is this really necessary or not? If you don't do it, will your customers notice? Will your competition notice? Will your coworkers notice? Will your job performance suffer? If not, then don't do it. If, however, it is necessary, then move to the next test, the test of appropriateness. That is to consider who should do this task? Who would be the appropriate person who has the right attitude, the knowledge and skill to effectively perform the task? Do you have someone inside your organization that possesses that talent? Do you need to look outside your organization for the appropriate source? Finally, there is the test of efficiency. How can you improve the process to be more efficient? What steps can be streamlined? What technology can be unleashed? How can you do it better and faster? I suggest these 5 steps to work and life balance. Number 1, identify the tasks and activities in which you have total control and tasks and activities in which you have some control. Number 2, establish responsibility. Who is going to do what, when? Number 3, eliminate unnecessary activities. Sever obsolete or unfulfilling activities that are habitual but not required. Number 4, eliminate any inappropriate activities. Given my role, given my responsibilities, these no longer apply. And then finally, number 5, plan your life annually, then monthly, then weekly, then daily. This will create alignment and congruence in your life that makes decision-making a snap. Poor work-life balance can lead to chronic stress and mental health issues. Researchers have found that placing exaggerated importance or total focus and activity in just one area of life may lead to a sense of frustration, stress, and lack of fulfillment. Many people believe achieving work-life balance means spending less time at work, working fewer days a week, flexible work schedules, and having more personal time. Yes, that is part of the formula for achieving work-life balance. Spending less time at work is a sign of efficiency and clarity. Working fewer days a week and taking long weekends is more effective at managing stress than long vacations. Flexible work schedules demonstrates to employees that the organization really does care about them personally, not just professionally. Of course, having more personal time is the goal, so people can enjoy the fruits of their labor. Often people ask me, how can professionals who are creating work-life balance find the right harmony between their work and personal commitments? Well, I believe this. Keep one calendar and one to-do list with everything on it. The context will give you guidance on whether you can or should take on anything else. Build space in your timelines before and after meetings and phone calls. This will help you be better prepared and give you some time afterward to process what you've learned. Employers can support employees coping with stress to balance their professional and personal lives by being thoughtful and including staff in discussions concerning how long tasks and projects really take, recognizing the limits of each day, and assist staff with delegation. Seeing in advance whether new requests will or will not fit the current level of workload. Becoming more strategic with time management, with time estimating based upon the input from the people that perform the tasks. If you or your coworkers question what work and life balance is, contact me at kit@seminarsonstress.com and I will provide a presentation packed with practical strategies to manage time and stress and work and life balance.